Hi guys, it's me again, FWMFPV, and I'm here at one of the parking lots that I fly. It has a lot of trees and concrete, but today I'm specifically here to test this new rig that I built based on the frame that I helped design. This frame is called the Mesomorph FWMFPV Freestyle frame, or custom freestyle frame. A guy named Dan Broussard from Quadro Hazard, he designs frames, helped me with my inputs on how I want a frame designed, from this toilet tank mount, where the hole should be GoPro and all, mount and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, he had this cut and now I'm testing it. I'm really excited because I had toilet tank mount frames before, but it's a shorter frame. So if you notice, this frame is more of, it looks like, or pretty much the same form factor as a Alien or a TBS Source One, Martian. It's long, but the battery is mounted this way. It's 6mm arms, 2.5 top plate, bottom plate, sandwich plate, and yeah, it's I think it's pretty solid. So I'm gonna test it now. I've over tested this, a few packs, but not really flying it the way I fly freestyle. So now the weather's really good, so I'm gonna try to get some flight footage from this rig. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you liked what you just watched and interested in more videos that I uploaded to YouTube, please do support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the bell at the bottom of this video so that you get notified for future videos that I upload. Thank you very much, and please support my channel.